The public release of a letter dated August 21st, 2023 from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs alerted the National Emergency Management Agency on impending flooding along the River Benue basin. This prompted the Director General of the Nigeria Hydrological Services Agency to reach out to his counterpart in Cameroon to confirm the opening of the Lagdo Dam. While the Cameroonian authorities have confirmed the release of water, which commenced on the 14th of August 2023 and was stopped at 11 a.m. on Monday, 28th of August 2023. The DG at this briefing on the flood situation in Nigeria clarified that the recent floods in Nigeria was not due to the opening of the dam in Cameroon. He blamed flash floods across the country on poorly constructed or lack of proper flood channels and inadequate drainage systems.
The dams in Nigeria, Kainji and Jeba on River Niger, and Shiroro on River Kaduna, they are all impounding water. No release of water from any of the dams within Nigeria. And the measurement we have in Lokoja, as of today, is much less than the corresponding days or day in 2022 or even 2012. So we have lower value of flood.
He also clarified that the Memorandum of Understanding signed between Nigeria and Cameroon in 2016 did not mandate the Cameroonian authorities to inform the country before releasing water from the Lagdo Dam.
Under the umbrella of Niger Basin Authority headquarters in Niani, we maintain some kind of relationship among ourselves, the professionals that represent each of the member states. So if there are certain information, like since July or thereabout, or even June, I have been discussing with them in Cameroon at that level of relationship as members or professionals that represent our countries. As to whatever is happening in the dam, let me know.
Though the dam has now been closed, the agency says flood warnings still remain, and affected state governments have also been notified since February. The annual flood outlook for 2023 released by the agency predicts coastal flooding in low-lying states like Bayelsa, Cross River, Delta, Edo, Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, and Rivers states. Flash floods are expected in 22 cities, including the FCT, Kaduna, and Port Harcourt.
The flood incidents we have already had within Nigeria were caused by flash flood. We are aware of what happened in Abuja, Lagdo Estate, where about 4 persons died and about 116 houses were affected and have been earmarked for demolition. So majorly due to rainfall within Nigeria. And when this happens, like in the Lagdo Estate, you could see there is nothing like drainage channels properly constructed to convey this excess water.
In order to reduce the impact of the floods, the agency recommends the construction of earth dams in tributaries of the Niger and Benue rivers, as well as the speedy construction of the Kashimbila Dam in Adamawa State. Georgina Ndukwezainka, Arise News.